Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Amplify Hosting for secure UI deployment step by step clearly. First, ensure you have an AWS account and access to AWS Amplify. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amplify Service dashboard. Select Get Started to create a new Amplify app. Choose the option to connect to a repository. Select your source control provider, such as GitHub or Bitbucket. Authenticate with your chosen provider by granting necessary permissions. Once connected, select the repository you wish to deploy. Choose the main branch to be deployed to Amplify. Click Next to move to the build settings configuration. You can either use the default build settings or customize them. Review your app settings carefully before proceeding. Click Save and Deploy to initiate the build process. Wait for the deployment process to complete. Navigate to your application's domain provided by Amplify. If needed, set up custom authentication methods for user access. Configure your app's authentication settings via the AWS Amplify console. Utilize built-in user authentication options, such as Amazon Cognito. For a secure deployment, enable HTTPS for your app domain. Review your application and ensure all authentication features are working correctly. Monitor your deployment logs for any errors or issues. Test the authentication process by accessing your app with valid and invalid credentials. Once verified, your app is ready for secure deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.